Question 82 is asking us to just simplify the expression given. So I'm going to start by rewriting it. I have negative 2 s to the power of negative 2 times t, 5s to the power of minus 3, t to the power of 2. That's all over 4 times s to the power of 2, t to the power of negative 3. Okay, so I'm going to start by multiplying the numbers I have on the top of my fraction. So that's going to be negative 2 times 5, which is negative 10. And now I'm going to look at my terms that have s as my base. So I know if I have the same base and I am multiplying it, that means I add my exponents. So in this case, I have negative 2 plus negative 3, which gives me s to the power of negative 5. And I'm going to look at my t terms, and I have t to the power of 1 times t to the power of 2, which is going to be 1 plus 2 for the exponents, and that gives me t to the power of 3. So on the bottom, I still have 4 times s to the power of 2 and t to the power of negative 3. Okay, and so now I'm going to simplify the numbers I have in my fraction. So 10 and 4 can both be easily divisible by 2, and that's going to give me negative 5 on the top and 2 on the bottom. And now I'm going to evaluate my s and t terms. So in this case, I'm dividing, and when I have the same base and I'm dividing, I subtract the exponents. So for the s, I have negative 5 minus 2, which is going to be s to the power of negative 7 on the top. And for t, I have 3 minus a negative 3, which is going to be t to the power of 6 on the top. And I just have 2 on the bottom. But to make this more simple, I want to get rid of any negative exponents I have. So this is going to be equal to negative 5, and we know if we want to change a negative exponent to a positive exponent, we just take the reciprocal of our value. So in this case, we're just going to put the s on the bottom, and that's going to be s to the power of 7. And I'll keep my t to the power of 6 on the top. So this is actually my simplified expression here. Negative 5t to the power of 6 over 2 times s to the power of 7. And this is actually different than the answer given in the homework, which is negative 5t to the power of 3 over 2 times s to the power of 7, and this answer is wrong. So the answer in the homework is actually wrong. This is the correct answer.